Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Green Dragon EA for MT4, a free expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Starting with the marketplace page, we can see that Green Dragon is currently offered as a free download. This is version 3.6, and according to the listing, it was last updated on August 23rd, 2017. As I scroll through the description, the developer explains that this EA is built around the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo trading system. More specifically, the primary focus of the strategy is the Chinkou Span, which is used as the main trade trigger. The description explains that the EA looks for situations where the Chinkou Span crosses historical price action, which the developer associates with breaks of support or resistance following periods of consolidation. The marketplace page provides very clear entry conditions. For long trades, the Chinkou Span must cross price action in the direction of the trade. All right, the Chinkou Span must be above the Kumo. Price itself must also be above the Kumo, and the cloud must exceed a predefined size threshold known as Kumo joy. All right, so when these conditions align, the EA can open a position. For exits, the description states that trades are closed when the Chinkou Span crosses back through price action or when there is a close below the Tenkan Sen line. Short trades follow the opposite logic. Now, one of the most interesting aspects discussed here is the use of the Kumo size filter. According to the developer, the Kumo helps identify conditions where the market is trending versus consolidating. So by adjusting the Kumo joy setting, traders can choose to filter out more ranging conditions or allow more trading opportunities when markets appear to be transitioning into stronger trends. The EA also includes position sizing based on a simplified 12-period ATR calculation. The description explains that the ATR multiplier influences lot sizing, while the stop loss risk parameter determines the percentage of account balance used in stop loss calculations. All right, so now looking at the available settings, the configuration is relatively straightforward. We have the ATR multiplier, the stop loss risk, the core Ichimoku parameters, including the Tenkan Sen, the Kijun Sen, and the Chinkou Span, okay, along with the Kumo joy filter. The developer specifically highlights that the limited number of settings makes optimization simpler compared to more complex systems. All right, so now let us just move on to the historical backtest results. So we're going to be heading over to our strategy tester very soon, but before that, let us see what we have here presented on the marketplace page. The strategy report here shows that from 1000, this should be 1500, right? So from a $1,500 deposit, total net profit was 106.18, and the win rate here was 40%. This is Euro USD 1 hour, tested from 14th April 2016 to 30th December 2016. Here, this shows Euro JPY 1 hour, total net profit $27.62, tested from 3rd May 2016 to 30th December 2016, 38.71% win rate, and so on and so forth. Let's head over to our strategy tester right away. So we can see that the Green Dragon EA tested it on GBP USD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months using the every tick modeling. From here, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was negative 385.73, and the total trades taken were 11, out of which 3 were profitable. So here again, I can see a low win rate. The win rate is just 27.27%. Largest profit was 316.94. Largest loss was 199.64. Average profit 134.34. Average loss 98.59. So this shows me that the average risk to reward ratio is kind of fair, not really very good enough, and the win rate is very low. So when you put these two side by side, it's not surprising to see a negative net profit. But then let's quickly turn on the visuals and let's see this EA in action just in a moment. When reviewing historical testing performance, I like to focus on how the strategy behaves throughout different market phases, rather than concentrating solely on profit figures. Now, since the entire system is built around Ichimoku analysis and Kumo filtering, it is particularly useful to observe how trades were handled during trending periods compared to more consolidating environments. Looking through the completed chart history, we can naturally see the role of the Chinkou Span and Kumo filter described on the marketplace page. The strategy appears designed to participate in directional moves while attempting to avoid weaker market conditions through cloud size filtering. Now, the exit logic based on Chinkou and Tenkan-sen conditions also give a structured framework for trade management. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions and different currency pairs. As always, historical backtest results should be viewed strictly as historical analysis. Future performance can vary based on risk settings, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and any optimization choices made by the user. So overall, the Green Dragon EA offers a focused MT4 implementation of a classic Ichimoku-based strategy with clearly defined entry rules, exit conditions, ATR-based position sizing, and a configurable Kumo filter. Before considering live trading, it is always worth conducting your own testing and optimization to determine whether the approach fits your objectives and risk tolerance. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.